This is the first one for 2018. This is a little 1934 Briggs Stratton A, and it's hooked up to a little compressor, a Quincy wall compressor. Anyway, the engine tag reads Cato Engineering, but the tag is identical to Briggs. Serial number dates to 34. Anyway, this was in a shed lean-to, a Crystal Flask gas station in Monon, Indiana. And the gas tank was shot on it. But I have a test tank that I used that I put on it. And of course it's all apart on the stand, compressor stand. The compressor's not hooked up yet. Anyway, we're going to do a start on this thing. It runs pretty good. Runs good enough for me not to mess with it and just clean it up and paint it. So, a little homemade muffler on it. Runs practically, I don't know, you can hardly tell it runs when it's running, but anyway, here we go. Let's do a startup. This thing 20 years, and I haven't run it for 20 years. Maybe the carburetor probably needs some attention, but I'm surprised it runs like it does. It don't have a spring to idle. It's got a governor that runs it at an RPM for the to run the compressor. So I have to hold it to idle. Okay. Thanks for watching my video.